What's going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have a brand new unboxing. Today we have a bolt action pen from this company known as Modern Fuel, which is very, very cool. Looks like they have really Apple-esque packaging here. They have some raised letters along with their logo here on the side. And then on these other sides, nothing really to look at there, but we do have, it seems like, a magnetic latch, which is pretty cool. Haven't really seen that a whole lot in boxes like this. We have some more embossed text here on the inside. And then that's just kind of like what it comes with there. So you have a couple different size set screws, you have a custom wrench and a spring, as well as a Allen wrench as well to make any necessary adjustments. So pretty cool little pamphlet there. And then this just shows you how to adjust everything. If you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it there. But here she is. So first let's start off with the actual tools that we get. So this is all the set screws as well as the Allen wrench. So we'll nicely place that back inside. And then would you take a look at that? That is very, very cool. I've got my little engraving there. And then alongside the pen itself. Let's see how smooth the action is on it. Wow. It's a great fidgeting thing. That is very, very smooth. And I had gotten this in the titanium line, which is very, very cool. So I'll see if I can focus in here to show you guys. But as you can see with the actual nose cone there, sorry, my camera is starting to try to focus on it here. But you can see it there. You have nice little ridges here, as well as the actual nose cone. So the nose cone itself, it seems like, is really, really solid and really well put together. And it perfectly complements the pen, which is beautiful. Then you've also got that clip on there as well, which perfectly matches up with that whole titanium look. Overall, it also has a little bit of nice weight to it. But yeah, as you can see, no branding, no logos on it, besides, of course, my handle there, which turned out extremely nice. So, if you're watching this Modern Fuel, you did an excellent job on this. I really love it. But the real test, of course, is to see how it writes. So let's go ahead and get a sticky note here and just go ahead and try writing with it. So that's the other thing also, is if you guys are not used to bolt action pens, this is how they work. So they come down and around, basically. So this is closed position, this is writing position. So let's go ahead and get the little guy off of the refill here, which this uses a G2 Pilot refill, by the way. So if, let's say, you guys were maybe wanting to consider getting one of these for yourself, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description to their website. But this is kind of just the refill that they use, is the G2 Pilot, which, let me get this off of here. Okay, so overall grip-wise, it's very, very nice. So let's get a solid flat surface here. Oops. Start the ink process here. Yeah, writes pretty nicely. Wow. Yeah, ink flow is good. But yeah, that'll do it for this video, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.